What's up guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you the Amazon Alexa developer console, and what I'm going to be showing you is interacting with Airtable data in Alexa. So I'm showing you in the Alexa developer console because it's really easy to show you through that rather than trying to record my Echo Show 8 screen with like an external camera. This just really gives me a good user experience so I can show you. It'll even have the display of what the Echo Show 8 would be showing you. And it's going to be the exact same Alexa that I'm going to be talking to as you would on your device. So I'm going to be showing you a lot of the good field types, some of the more simple ones, the ones that you can really get the hang of pretty fast, and some of the ones that people can get started with the quickest. So if you haven't met me before, my name is Ben Green and I'm the owner of optimizeis, and what we do is we help business owners probably just like you help them optimize their information systems. So that's in stuff like Airtable, Asana, Slack, as well as Zapier to connect all the systems together. So if you're interested in any services, you can check out the link in the description and request a consultation from me or someone on my team. But without further ado, we'll get right into the demo now. So as you can see, we are in the Alexa developer console now. And I'm just going to move myself up here because it'll be easier for, well, you can see the mic over here. And then this will be the display down here. And basically, I'm just going to be talking to Alexa. And there's not a ton of stuff that will be popping up on the screen. But I'm going to be showing you, like, when you click the mic, like what I'll say. Alexa will talk a good amount, and then it'll display that. And then I'm also going to show you what happens when we bring Airtable into the mix. So I'm going to actively show you, like, when we're creating records, those records being created, deleted, updated, etc. So you'll see all of that in this video. All right, so we'll get started here with Alexa, and we're just going to start out with a single line. So Alexa, open Airtable good field types.
Welcome. Which Airtable field type would you like to demo? Single line, long text, single select, phone number, date, number, rating, checkbox, multiple select, duration, link to another record, or cannot be edited fields.
Alright, so as you can see down here on the screen, this is what would be shown in the Alexa developer console. And so you'd basically you could pull up an image, so you can pull up any image really in your Airtable database, as well as I believe some of the ones from the web, assuming you made a path to get there. But this is a list of all the Airtable good field types that you can use, and so I'm going to be going through some of these in this video, some of the ones that worked really good, some of the ones that, all of these work really good, so you can really get an idea of how these work for you in your life or your business. So if you want just this list, this is the list of them, so you can see like how does this line up with you and your processes. But without further ado, we're just going to get right into this, and I'm going to be showing you them now. Single line. So we're starting off with the single line. So this should ask for my name, because I think that's the first single line.
What US first name to post or create in the good table single line field?
Yeah, so Alexa asked what US, so United States first name, should we post or create? And post, if you aren't familiar with that term, post is the same as create, it's just more meant for developers. So we'll say my name. Ben. So gave Alexa.
Value Ben correct? Yes or no?
So it's just asking us to make sure that I said the right name, so yes.
New record was created with recorded recs
Bam.
UZR HW7Z and single line field value Ben. This path will update the good table for recorded recs UZR HW7 single line field with another value. What is the new first name to patch or update as the new value into the single line text field?
So that first part of it was us creating the record. And so now in the path that we're going through, the next step is to update that record. So now we're going to be giving a new name to put in here, and it's going to replace this, and I'll show you that. And also, it said the whole record ID, and so that's just to show you if you go back and listen, and you listen to what Alexa says, she'll actually give you this exact record ID, and it'll come in here, and you'll be able to listen to it and read it off. It's the same one. You can also see if I expand this, it's created via API, and you can see single line was created and it says Ben. So that just means it came from Alexa, and now it's in here. So if we come in here now and say, let's say Hunter, so we gave the new name for the single line.
Recorded RIX QZR HW7Z updated the single line field with a new value without changing any of the other values within the record. This recorded RIX QZR HWDIF7Z created during this session needs to be deleted to refresh the voice with air field types demo. To delete the record, say, ready?
Yeah, so the next step is I say ready, and then it deletes the record. So I'll see if I can go into Alexa and jump back here fast enough for you guys to see it being deleted. So obviously you see it updated there with Hunter, and you can see over here the two things happened via API. I don't know that I can show you. So yeah, I can bring it over and see. You can see both of those happen with API. It updated that from Ben to Hunter. So we'll say ready.
The record was successfully deleted.
Shoot.
This is the end of the single line field type demo. Try another field type? Yes or no?
So as you can see there, it deleted. So on the next one, we'll get back here and I'll show you that being deleted in real time. So now what Alexa's asking if we want to try a new field type. So we'll say yes.
Which Airtable field type would you like to demo?
Yeah.
Single line, long text, single select, phone number, date, number, rating, checkbox, multiple select, duration, link to another record, or cannot be edited fields.
So now it's asking us for our next one that we want to try out. So maybe for this next one, we just tried out single select or single line. So now we'll try long text. So we'll try that out here. So long text.
What few words to post or create new record values in the good table long text field?
Yeah, so again, it's asking us to post or create, which is the same thing. Just create a record with values in the long text field, and that will show up right here. So in the long text right there. And so we'll see if we can make it multiple lines by giving Alexa a mouthful. Really challenge Alexa with this one. So we'll say, Alexa, thank you for your service. So
is the value say Alexa thank you for your sir correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
New record was created
So,
and recorded during
as you can see,
B9 and long text field value say Alexa thank you for your sir. This path will update the good table for recorded rec 42 B9 long text field with another value. What is the new long text value?
So I might have let it off too soon on the service, but I got sir, but it did insert it right in here via API, and you guys hopefully saw it insert there, but you can see that it inserted the long text there with that. So now it's asking us to replace that value, so to update that. So now I'll say, Alexa, you are the best, and I love this integration.
Recorded rec 42 B9 updated the long text field with a new value without changing any of the other values within the record. This recorded rec 42 B9 created during this session needs to be deleted to refresh the voice with air field types demo. To delete the record say, ready?
Ready.
The record was successfully deleted. This is the end of the long text field type demo. Try another field type? Yes or no?
Alright, so I was curious on why it didn't delete there, but I came back in here and it said reconnecting up at the top, if you've ever seen that for Airtable. Then I expanded the field, or I expanded the record, and then it said an error has occurred, record not found, refresh the page. So it did end up deleting it, and I'll just have to refresh the page to get it to open back up. But I think my computer is going a little bit slow, which is why that happened. So we'll come back in here, we'll do phone number. So I'm not going to give my phone number, I'll just give a random phone number, but we'll try yes. So it asked if we want to do a new one, so now it'll give us these again.
Field type would you like to demo? Single line, long text, single select, phone number, date, number, rating, checkbox, multiple select, duration, link to another record, or cannot be edited fields.
Phone number.
You've already seen and authorized the device Amazon account phone number. This is the Ask User phone number input path. Alexa will next ask for a phone number to create a new record in the good table. What phone number?
Yeah, so basically she just said we've already seen and authorized the Amazon account phone number, and now it's asking us for the input path to input a phone number into Airtable, which if you guys understood the first two examples, you'll understand this one. We're just going to give Alexa the phone number, and she's going to put it into Airtable for us. 444-555-9999. It's probably going to ask if it's correct. Maybe.
New record was created with recorded RECDEIIJBLIEU8SMX and phone field value 444555999. This recorded RECDEIIJBLIEU8SMX created during this session needs to be deleted to refresh the voice with Air Field Types demo. To delete the record, say, ready?
Yeah, so as you can see there for the phone user input, that one came in here just as it should have, and then there's also a calculation on that, but you can see it came into the phone field, so this is formatted as a phone and it came in here just fine. So that's perfect, that's what we wanted to see, and now it's going to ask to delete this record, so this time I will actually try to get back there in time for it to delete. So we'll say ready.
The record
Bam.
is successfully deleted. This is the end of the phone field type demo. Try another field type? Yes or no?
Alright, so I've already shown you 3 of these field types, but again, I'm going to be going through more of these in more videos. But these are all the field types that work really well. So single line, long text, single select, phone number, date, number, rating, checkbox, multiple select, duration, link to another record, or cannot be edited fields. So all of these work really well. As you saw, stuff went into Airtable using post or create. Stuff was able to be edited by Alexa, and you saw like me change. I changed the name, I changed the long text field, and stuff can also be deleted. So with the path we have set up, every single time it creates the record, you can update it, and then it's deleted as the final step. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, if you want to see any of these specific field types, if you think these would be really useful, like I think everybody probably wants to see it linked to another record. So if you want to comment in the comments section which of these field types you really want me to demo, I would love to know that in the comments section, and give this a like and hit the subscribe button. But if you're curious about voice in general and you want to see, so I just got this Echo Show 8. And if you want to see some use cases that I've found for it in my office, as well as see, I believe, another Airtable demo similar to this, which is at the end of the video, you can go click on this end screen right down here, actually in the middle of the screen. Just click on that end screen right there, and it'll go take you to a video where you'll see some other use cases in my office here. You'll get kind of a mini office tour. You're going to see my dog Nacho, but it'll give you some other use cases that you can use your Echo for in your office. So I highly encourage you to go check that out. And without further ado, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you there.